Here's how to reach 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube. First, to apply for YouTube monetization through the YouTube Partner Program, you need two things. You'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. That watch time is what proves people are actually watching your content, not just clicking and leaving. But you don't need viral videos, you just need math. 4,000 hours equals 240,000 minutes of watch time. And the easiest way to estimate how many views you need is by looking at your average view duration. To find that, open YouTube Studio, click Analytics, then go to Content, and look for Average View Duration. That number tells you how many minutes the average viewer watches per view. Once you have that, the rest is simple. If each view gives you about 2 minutes watched, you'll need around 120,000 views total. If your average view is 5 minutes, you only need 48,000 views. At 10 minutes per view, that drops to 24,000 views. And if you're averaging 20 minutes per watched video, you only need 12,000 views to hit monetization.